welcome back to The Oily Life. It's been a while since I've put a video up. I kind of had a lot of things going on. I decided to sell my house and move, and I sold my house and bought a new house in like 2 weeks, so things got a little crazy for a little while. But I am back now, and today I'm going to be sharing a new shampoo bar recipe. I adapted this from the Muddy Mints recipe for shampoo bars. I can't remember her name, but it was in the book that she recently published on natural soap making. And I just made some changes to her recipe to get more of the results that I wanted. Now, disclaimer, anytime you change a soap recipe, you're going to want to run it through soap calc, because all of the oils have different saponification values and things like that. So you definitely need to, even if you're going off of like a recipe for inspiration, if you change any of the oils or butters, you definitely want to go ahead and run it through soap calc. So come along with me as we make these shampoo bars. And hello my friends, it's long time no see. I have been pretty busy with, I decided to sell my house, and then I bought a new house, and then my house sold, and that all happened within like a 2-week period. And to say I was unprepared is a gross understatement, but things happened super quick, and I had to take a little back seat for filming while I quickly packed up my house and moved everything, and still put orders out and finished up my farmers markets for the season and all the things. So I know you guys understand that stuff, but yeah, it's been a bit of a whirlwind. But we are back, and today we are making some shampoo bars, and this is an adaptation from the girl who runs the Muddy Mints, the Muddy Mint soap making company, and she wrote a natural soap making book. I am blanking on her name, but I will have it linked down below for your reference. But this is an adaptation of her shampoo bar recipe. So I do have all of my oils melted down here. I subbed out some of the oils she used in her recipe just for some different ones. And then I'm doing some additional additives as well. So in my oils here, I have cocoa butter, coconut oil, argan oil, castor oil, and olive oil, along with some coconut milk powder. And then we're going to go ahead and get our lye water poured in here and get this all blended up. And I do have a new stick blender today because my other one unfortunately died on me. So we're trying out a new guy today, and we will see how it works. And I do also have sodium lactate in my lye water here. And now we're just going to give this a quick blend. Alright, so to this, we are now going to add in our essential oil blend, which I have right here. And this is a blend of orange, bergamot, Litsi Cubea, I don't know how to pronounce that one, guys, but that one. I'll also have it listed down below. And then lemon. And this is what we're using just to color the soap as well. I'm not going to be adding in any colorants. We're just rolling with this. I did use the orange 5-fold, so that is going to deepen up the color some more than like a standard orange essential oil would. But no other additives. This is my first time making this recipe, so I am considering using carrot juice to help color it as well. but I wanted to just make the bars first and see how they turned out before adding in the carrot juice. Carrot juice has a lot of antioxidants in it and vitamins in it, and they quote unquote claim that it is good for scalp health and hair growth, but of course, you know, with our soaps and such, we can't make any sort of claims like that. But that is, if you research carrot juice, that is a proposed benefit of it. Now, whether that will stay active in a soap, that's debatable, but it is something I'm considering using in the future, mainly for the nice color it will bring. Alright, now my additional additive that I'm putting in here, and I wanted to wait till after I had the lye water in, is this is Cocoa Medripol Biotin, which is a coconut-derived surfactant. And I thought that it could add some nice bubble action. So I'm just going to kind of stir that in a little bit, and then we'll give it another quick blend. The castor oil and the coconut oil are great for lather as well, but I just thought with the shampoo bar, even though the lather is not 100% necessary for the cleansing, everyone loves a good lather in their shampoo. So I thought it could be a good addition. That looks good there, and this smells amazing. So uplifting and fresh and citrusy. I love it. All right, give this another quick blend. All right, I think that looks good there. So these are pretty simple, just the one color. And we're gonna pour it into individual molds. And I got these off Amazon. I thought they're super cute, if you can see it there, with that kind of citrus blend that we got going on here. So that's what we're doing for our mold. And this will be really easy to unmold since it's in individual cavities. All right. Now let's just get it poured in. Oh, I overfilled that already. We'll have to clean some of that one off. And hopefully I have enough molds here. I bought 4. But if it's not, I'll just pour some off into another cavity mold. Now this is still pretty liquidy, but it was at a trace. I just didn't want to wait around too long on this first time, since I haven't made this recipe before. And I do think it's going to fill up all 4 of these molds, and then I'll probably have a little left. Maybe. Maybe it's going to be just right. We're about to find out, friends. Well, looky there. That is just about perfect. So I did fill up these 8 with just a little bit left over, so I'll put this in another little mold. But yeah, that was a great recipe size for this. Now, I did have some overages and some spillage in some places, but you know, things happen. So I'll get these cleaned up. We'll let them set up for at least 24 hours and then we'll come back and unmold. Alright, so we've unmolded all of the shampoo bars. I did end up waiting 48 hours because it was a softer recipe. So I let them stay in the mold for 48 hours. Even that being said, as you can see with this one, there was a bit of a learning curve on how to get these out of the mold. But once I got the hang of it, they came out really nice and clean. The essential oil combination is amazing. It's this nice, fresh, citrusy scent with the bergamot, the orange, lemon, and the Litsi Cubea. Is that how you say it? Litsi Cubea. That's what I'm going with. So, very uplifting, just a clean, fresh scent. Now, I did, after they had sat, it was probably 72 hours. I did have a small sample one that I tried out in the shower and it foamed great. So really happy with how they all turned out. I think we'll see over time, but I do think this is probably a recipe I'm going to keep around because I really liked the way that it turned out. And yeah, so just a different way you can make shampoo bars than some of the recipes where you're pressing them. And after I used it, my hair felt great. It didn't feel weighed down, and it also didn't feel like stripped. So it was really nice shampoo bar experience. And like I said, it did lather really well, which I think that's from the Cocoa Medripol Biotin. I just think you need that little bit of a surfactant in there with your other oils, at least in my opinion. But yeah, really happy with how they turned out. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. It was great to be back hanging out with you guys again. Take care, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.